Okay, I'm gonna need some help with this one. My Toyota Tundra, when I'm driving it or when I got it on, my air system or my vent is blowing out some kind of fog or steam or some kind of mist. But I think it may be the heater coil may have a small leak. But it happens when it's off or on. So I'm gonna turn it on and show you what's happening. As you can see, the steam or fog is coming out and it's fogging up my windows. And it's sporadically, it's maybe every 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take it to my mechanic today and see what the problem is. But I think it may be a pinhole in the heater coil. So if anybody have a clue of what they think it might be, or if they experience the same problem, and my vent don't blow that well either when I put it on heat, but when I turn it on AC, it blows. Even when I circulate the vent from inside, I'm still having that problem with this fog or steam. So I'm thinking it's a pinhole in the heater coil, but I don't see any water or anything. So if anybody could input or put a comment below and tell me what you think. All right. Thank you and have a great day.